Well, there was a package came today. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com, Kiau, Hawaii, and that would be on the Big Island, south of Hilo, Hawaii. So anyways, just, having a good time over here, a little vacation, and that package is from Gastonia, North Carolina. And so I'm very happy because I've been waiting. It's been about a year that I've been telling people that I'm getting a project done, and by golly, it finally, if I accept these samples, then I make a phone call. Yep, hello, yep, okay, well, go ahead and run those sharpeners, and that would be the Longhandle. So this is the first time this model of the Longhandle has been made in the United States. So let's open the package and take a look. Okay. So why did I throw it on the floor? I only have two hands and a foot. Okay. So let's look inside. I think there's three of them. Okay. Now there's five. All right. And these are going to be made a little bit different. There was a problem with the way they were made in China. They turned out just great. It was good, but there's some little pins that hold the carbides in place. And people in North Carolina said he bets that the Chinese were breaking a lot of pins trying to make them the way they were. So he said, let's make them a different way, and we won't break any pins, little holding pins for the carbides. And okay, I got to use my teeth. Okay. Woohoo, and black. You know why I made them in black? Boy, they do look good. Sharpensbest.com. USA, made in USA, sharpensbest.com. And why did I make the first 500 of them in black? Well, the others haven't been made yet, but they're going to be. The reason I had them made in black, because if you end up with one of these black sharpeners like this right here, the Longhandle with the V on one side, and the actually if you end up with a black sharpener like this at all, it's made in the US, because even the first ones 30 years ago were made in the US, but they didn't have the V on one side. They had two of the open face straight line carbides, one on each side. So let's turn it over. Wow, they do look good. All right, so let's turn it over, and we're going to see and no, I don't mind putting my phone number out there. People have been very, very respectful. Got to be 8-9 years now I've been making videos putting my phone number out there, because I want people to actually be able to talk to me. I own the company. If there's a problem, Chance Buell through sharpensbest.com on an order should be your first approach. But if you want to talk to me personally for whatever reason, then there is my phone number. It's my cell phone number. Okay. Now these were made with in two parts. So we have a little. Okay, hang on just a second. I got to use my teeth again. So we're going to dump them out. So we have a place to put the carbides, and then a little cap that goes over. like that, and then you put screws in it. And boy, they are little tiny screws, and I don't think they, oh, no, they didn't send the screws, no need to. They just wanted to show me exactly how they're made. So if you end up with one of the black sharpeners, it says made in USA, that is a significant deal, black, because that means they are the American ones. And I don't think I'll ever make them in black again, because that would ruin the first 500 American ones aspect of it. Might make them in another color. They'll probably be made in red. Might come out in orange. I was very successful with other colors in the original 30-year-old ones, so might even make some blue or pink, ladies, you know, or maybe even white to signify, ooh, the kitchen ones. So anyways, this is Brad Buckner, very happy. I had them sent from North Carolina to Hawaii because I knew I would be here, and I didn't want to wait 20 days, you know, to get home and have them waiting for me at home. So the unboxing, the unveiling of these sharpeners is done here in Hawaii. And this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care. You have a great day. And yes, you stay sharp out there.